It's a command for the VXTC box. Right.
Go ahead.
Start it. 6 volts up.
9 volts.
Make it 9. Leave it, don't change it. So you can see it's
The previous is coming direct ones, the wire.
start with the 3-1 over there. You can see there's relatively smoothness in the motion. Now see the 3-1 which is made. Even this is overshoot होने वाला है. As you can see there is a lot of wobble, but it is not skipping any line. It overshoots the line. 6 run is Go on, you can get it inside. Go on. Get it in. As you can see, this is a bit slower than the previous one, but it is able to come that track, but with heavy overshoots.
It's a PID controlled line follower robot. We are from Father Angle plant. And we'll demonstrate.
Hi, Newton Fernandez, and on behalf of the robotics team, this time Transmission 2015 we have made it more research based. We decided that we keep no workshops but go with hand-on training with everyone. Everybody in the robotics team was given an opportunity to work with bots. We taught them how to make everything from scratch. Practical approach was the basic motto which every bot which you all see here is handmade. Every video which will come up on the TV is made by us personally. Nothing has been bought from the market. Please note, I again say, nothing has been bought. It is hard work and trouble taken by the students at robotics to make each and every. For example, considering this one, this is a basic motor bot, but it has been handmade by us itself. Considering this 5-wire line follow, as you can see, it might not look so neat, but it always gives an output needed to meet the requirements of all standards which are set. This too is handmade by us itself. In particularly 3 people, Nishant from Coms, Joish, and
and not like copy pasted as such. So like it is all the efforts of the student by themselves, and hence we can say this Transmission Fest is more different than not the fest that has taken place.
Another important thing is during the auditions I had actually said that I will be displaying wireless control boards in my college, which are actually this. They are wireless control boards which have again been studied through and then implemented.
Myself Nikender, I'm from Purnima College of Engineering जयपुर. मुझे आने के बाद बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ. कोऑर्डिनेटर बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से वर्क कर रहे थे और जो वेलोसिटी एरिना था वो बहुत टिपिकल था. लाइन फॉलोअर के अंदर काफ़ी अच्छे कॉन्सेप्ट मिले और प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीबिशन में मुझे बहुत कुछ मिला और आई एम हैप्पी टू एंजॉय दिस टेस्ट.
Myself Nipal Nui from Purnima College of Engineering जयपुर. मुझे सबसे टफ तो जैसे वेलोसिटी रोबो वाला था, उसमें टफ लगा. उसमें सारे जो एरिना था वो बहुत टफ था. हमें कॉलेज में जब तक हमने किया तो वो इतना बड़ा एरिना भी नहीं होता था, और जिससे हमें भी थोड़ा सीखने को मिला और नॉलेज भी मिला, और सभी ने हमारी हेल्प भी अच्छी तरह से किया और अकेलापन महसूस नहीं होने दिया किसी ने भी. सभी ने हेल्प की.
ड्राइविंग पे निकल रही मैं. अरे रुक जा उठा के रहने खेल
Guys, more 30 seconds.
ready start.
Okay, the second contestant is almost done. Getting ready for the third contestant. Come on. Okay, second contestant up. We're getting ready for the third contestant looks extremely focused.
Ready start.
Mondu, this game is yours.
There are two teams which have come from Gujarat. Oh. And they came here in the morning. That train.
Guys, happy hours are going on the Chill and Grill stores. 20% off on all food items.
Please bear with me
It's okay.
because
No, only they came and called me and said that I.
no, actually, and he also came in a hurry. Actually, he also got scared.
Forward है, first left, right, backward, left.
Ajit Pan.
आणि हे असं दोन्ही एकत्र क्रॉस क्रॉस दाखवतात 360 डिग्री फिरते.
Okay, we have our next singer with us. Shalina.
पण हे मागे जातो.
उलटा ठेवला असेल असं
असं रेस
My bad, it's Shelly. Stop.
दोन्ही एकत्र राहा, दोन्ही एकत्र
Stop from the other letters. Stop.
दोन्ही एकत्र राहा.
ट्रैक फॉलो द ट्रैक
चल चल चढ़ा चलेगा चलेगा
यो
फॉलो द ऑरेंज लाइन फॉलो द ऑरेंज लाइन चढ़ा चढ़ा पुश 2 2
Go slowly, don't hurry in the winning.
इधर ऊपर चढ़ा पूरा चढ़ा छोड़ दे ड्रॉप कर दे छोड़ दे पीछे आ जा बस
एक सेकंड में तो हो जाएगा
वहाँ पे चलेगा दो ही ये क्यों आप बता चलना साइकिल नीचे आ जाओ रिवर्स जाएगा
लिफ्टेड अप adjusted roller to feed it back fast
हाँ तो भाव से करना
इधर
अरे ये अंदर तो इसके अंदर
okay I will come after later 6:30 is the third team ready okay sir
दिया फॉर्म गौरव करके ना
मोहित केजरीवाल,
अंकित सिंह रमेश मुल्ला
शिव गुप्ता.
We are from Bhusawal. Our team name is Blanca Bots, and I am Akshay Joshi.
I am Pushpendra Patel.
Vishal Chandra. 2, 1, start. Orange. That's right.
Yellow.
This next song is dedicated to the Neon cricket team and the volunteers.
Come down. Follow this. Good.
भी पहले ही दे दूं वार्निंग पार्टी चलेगी till 6 in the morning जी भर के नाच ले भी नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो यार तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल जारी जिसको जानकारी चाकू फ्लोर पे आए फ्लोर पे नाचे आए नजरे पकड़े आए माइकल जैक्सन वाले तो सिलेक्शन करके दिखाए पार्टी
against the goalies. Okay, not
चल उसको बोल दे सेकंड टीम ओके ये कौन इधर कौन बैठा रोहित इधर बैठ ये वाला रेड और ब्लैक निकलना नहीं चाहिए निकले तो वैसे लगाना है जैसे लगा हुआ है देख लो बोल के हटा के बंद कर
T-Coms की तरफ से गोल पेयर है
रेडी टाइमिंग 3 2 1 गो
Check. We have Rizzo with the ball. And Joachim, goalkeeper. Oh, there's a penalty given to TXTC. This is Agnew with the back heel. There we go. Relax, guys. Relax, Jocelyn. Wilson aiming at Joachim's balls. I don't think so. He was attempting to hit any other goal post. His aim was somewhere completely different. Joshua up the ball. Oh, it's taken away from Jocelyn. Okay, that's a free kick to T-Coms. So here we have the winner, T-Coms. Waiting for the Rice Adrian Wala to be present for the finals of the football. And we have the all-Tendencies team already set for the final. We've got a bye from the semis, by the way. The Rice Adrian Wala. Beyond the mic is busy bonus. His team members, the Rice Adrian Wala, Suraj Arya.
पूरा पीछे की देखना इधर से आ सकता था ना यार इधर है बहुत इधर बहुत चल रहा है
So here we are, the climax of transmissions of the team, one of the worst highlighting events, human football final. You have the finals of human football happening right here.
ड्राइविंग वाला होता है उसे दे देगा इधर कुछ सीधा आगे गिरा गिरा नीचे हो
This is my phone. I'm using a software right now to control this bot. Here's a button. If I push this on top, the bot starts moving. If I press the backward button and I accelerate again, it goes behind. To turn the bot, I only have to tilt my phone a bit. Accelerate and tilt. The bot turns.
Do that again. Very good, thank you.
It has an Arduino on that and a motor driver. I've attached my Bluetooth over there and I'm controlling this bot through my phone. The special thing about this bot is that it is motion sensing. Here I go. If I tilt it downwards, it turns its direction. If I tilt it up, it turns its direction.
Okay.